In this video, I'm going to show you what to do with unneeded deviants in Once Human. So if you don't need your deviants, there's actually 3 things you can do. The first thing you can do is simply drop them and get rid of them that way. The second one you can do is give them to your friends by dropping them as well. And the third one is by selling them for astral sand. I'm going to show you how to do each and every single one of these. First, you want to go to your inventory and then click up here to where there's deviants to the very right, and as you can see I have a whole bunch of deviants I do not need at all, especially these paper dolls over here and these extra dimensional cats, and as well as these logging beavers that are all 1-1 in skill and activity rating. So what you want to do, if you want to simply drop them on the ground, you can click on the one you'd like to drop or simply hover over it and hold down your X key to discard it. Now this will discard your deviant. As you can see, it's now over here in the ground, and your teammates in your team will now be able to pick it up if they want to, but if they don't want to, just leave it there, and after some time it will automatically despawn and erase. So if they want to pick it up, they want to press F on that junk and then press F to claim it all, and they will successfully get a paper doll or whatever deviant you have dropped. Now that's how you can discard them or delete them or give them to your friends. Now the second thing you can do, or the third thing you can do, is open up your inventory and sell them. Now the way you do this is by clicking on this Eternal End Island icon over here, and then you want to click to export resources. Then you want to go inside Island Shop, which is the first tab up here, and then inside the sell button over here, as you can see there's a bunch of things you can do, but you can also sell items. So click on the sell up here, scroll down in your inventory, and you'll be able to see all your deviants at the very bottom. What you want to do is select the one you would like to kinda get rid of, click on it, and as you can see, you can now sell your deviant for 500 of this astral sand. Now as you can see, astral sand is used to build and craft in Eternal Land, and you can obtain it by selling resources or completing orders in Eternal Land. Now what you then can do is simply press F or confirm on your screen, and you successfully got 500 extra astral sand to use in Eternal Land, and you've successfully gotten rid of your paper doll or whichever deviant you want to get rid of. So that's pretty much it. That's what you can do with your unneeded deviants in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.